Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. How's life?
I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm fine. And you?
I'm very well. Thank you for asking me. And that's great for you for today. Alright, for this opportunity, I will discuss with you about technology that's been spread by natural plants. But before that, I will introduce where you are. My name. Alright, my name is Nurhayati. I'm from English Education Department in Raja Ali Haj Maritime University. Alright, I will share with you the material. Please wait a minute. This is my material. I will explain with you about technology that we inspired but from starter network plan. Which do you know what the technology that's be inspired for starter network plans? Which one of you know? How about Bella Finalisi? Do you know what the technology?
I know little, but you explain for for us for us.
I ask you, do you know what the technology that be inspired for starter network plans?
No.
You don't know. Oh, all right. How about you, Miss Nurazila? Do you know?
I know it's the technology, but I don't know technology that be inspired from sector network plan.
All right. All of all of us know what the technology, but not know technology that's been inspired from starter network plans, right? You know, when in the all day our day, we we see it as technology, but we don't know a technology that's been inspired from starter network plans, right? So for this opportunity, I will tell and explain with you what the technology that be expressed from start to network plans. Alright. Technology that's been spread from start to network plans. I took in the Google Apple for the first solar panel, or you can call it solar cell, and the second light sensor, and the third protective enclosed coating, and the last is water purification equipment. Alright, we can start. For first material or for first technology, you can say solar panel or you can call it solar cell. Do you know what the solar panel or solar cell? How about me, Sufi? Do you know?
I don't understand, but I know a little. I know a little slowly.
You know little story. Can you tell me or tell us your story about story solar panel? This is technology.
I don't know, but uh, jangan tanya aku.
Alright, because you don't know. Alright, I will explain to you what is the solar panel. Solar panel is a tool that could change rays. Some become energy. When less sun creates surface solar panel cause electron, and you can say part particle computer atom which is charged negative. on solar panel moves through something conductor and becomes current electricity. Do you know the mechanism where solar panel is inspired by mechanism photosynthesis that occur on leaf plant? You can see this is the process of photosynthesis. When there are light, and this is the process become to ATP helpless, and this is become NADP and ADP half. This is the process when the photosynthesis, and the finder inspired by this photosynthesis and make solar panel, or you can say it, solar cell. You can see this is the solar panel. Solar panel make the sunlight become energy electricity. You can see electricity current will become controller, become battery, inverter, and then used for computer or laptop, television, and refrigerator to use to make sunlight become electricity. On photosynthesis, to need light and substance, green leaf, right? That is called chlorophyll. Through photosynthesis, it is generated oxygen, or O2, and glucose. When leaf exposed bright sun, chlorophyll will absorb energy light. Electron on complex chlorophyll will move through a channel and cause fluid positive come along move. Let's proceed this next move towards complex enzyme that function produce energy, electricity, M3 form ATP and NADP. Energy ATP and NADP this will use to change CO2 becomes glucose. Alright, let's move on in the second technology. The second technology is light sensor. Do you know what the light sensor? From what the finder inspired by the plant. How about Miss Nurhayati? Do you know? Alright. Another audience. You know what the inspired by the light sensor the finder take inspired? No one know. Alright, I will explain with you. Do you know street lights in the road when you are driving and then you walking on the roads you can see street lights. These street lights can turn on and off in a manner automatic because we equip it with sensor lights that is called photoresistor or LED depend resistor. The nick you can say LDR and switch regulator on and off. Photoresistor is able to detect there is unlock existence. Let's in environment run. Photoresistor, this is a resistor or resistance electricity that could change square an obstacle through radiation light. Resistance electricity from photoresistor is will reduce if export lights. With other words, if exists, it should disable driver electricity. Alright, look at this picture. You can see this is light sensor in front of or in up the street lights. This is the street lights. You can see this technology that's inspired from, I will explain with you, from cactus, plant cactus. Do you know that the mechanism of lights, like street lights, the two inspired by mechanism that occur on plants? Plant scatter, I said to you that inspired by plant cactus lights. Why? Because plant cactus have the stomata unique from the another plant. Stomata cactus will open moment night, day, and will close moment noonday. For what? To reduce evaporation weather. Process open and close its stomata supports by activity cell security stomata. Cell security, these have receptors that is called photoreceptors that sensitive to light. Moment noon, day that's causing photoreceptors on cell security will catch light and cause water in cell security pump up exit with help the ions. Look at this picture. This is the plant cactus. This is the starter. You can see this is the stomata. Stomata of plant cactus. Stomata of plant cactus is very unique from another plant. So the finder of this technology see and get the idea to make a technology inspired by plant cactus. Alright, let's move on the third technology. For the third technology is protect and gloss coating. Ever you look plant taro or lotus, everyone? When you look leaf, second plant, you Stanley looked at leaf, the very clean and wholesome water. If you look through microscope, cross-section transverse from second leaf, then you will look on surface leaf the axis layer thick that is called cuticle. Cuticle is starters on compound lipids from candle or wax and polymer hydrocarbons that is called cotinose. Second compound is character hydrophobic or not like water, so that if water about layer is not will wet leaf. Layer candle is two apple prevent stick to eat dust or dirt odor and make leaf permanent clean. Look at this picture. This is the leaf lotus or the leaf of taro that's not that's anti water. So if there are rain or water, don't out in on the leaf. The leaf not you know not wet, but the leaf not 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 wet and stay dry. And this is the example of close coating. This is after and this is before. Therefore, you can see the difference. Alright, let's get move on the last or fourth technology. For fourth technology is water purification equipment. Do you know what the technology of water purification equipment? And why the finder get inspired from what plant? How about Miss Tengku Rahmatrisa? Do you know what the Miss Tengku Rahmatrisa what the inspired by finder? Why the finder get or took the inspired from what? Do you know, Miss Tengku Rahma? Alright, how about another audience? Alright, because you are silent, I consider you do not. I will explain. We ever play to lake, reservoir, or pools, right? It's usually water, hyacinth, glitter, and a place. Are you to look what was the clear? On generally, waters that's overgrown, water hyacinth, glitter condition that water clear. Whereas, when you look root water hyacinth glitter, you will look root water hyacinth glitter, shaped, fibrous, that loose and meaty. Roots absorb particles that dissolve in water, so that water becomes clean. Even substance dangerous as a poison even could absorbed by water hyacinth glitter. So the finder get impressed by hyacinth glitter. The finder look and see and get the idea to make this technology. Okay, all right. Look at this picture. This is the hyacinth glitter. When you go to lake or reservoir, you can see, you can find this plane. If the this is the starter of the planes can change the danger version, not be danger version. All right. Water purification equipment. If you observe membrane cell root in a manner more to use microscope electron, they will see the holes or channels small on membrane cell roots. Channel this form from protein and help hold with size, sustain, and water tie up, sustain also. From the channel named Q-porine. Equiporic is a channel or protein channel which only could bypass it by water, so the particle or nuts could come in through equiporic. Mechanism to inspire scientists to develop technology filtering or purification water. With technology, that water dirty could filter, so the water will result filtering truly clean and secure to consume. Alright, look at this picture. This is the technology of the water purification equipment. Alright, do you know what the another spread plans of this technology? Everyone know? How about Miss Saripa? Do you know? Do you know what another spread? All right,
I don't know, Miss.
you don't know. Okay, all right, I see. All right, because you know, I want to ask you something. Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live village.
I mean, what's your? Where do you come from?
I'm from Sungai Guntung, Miss.
All right, Sungai Guntung. I see.
Riau.
Yeah, I see. The mangrove, right? Mangrove. Miss Saripa, they are mangrove, right? In a coastal, there are mangrove, many mangrove. Mangrove is the another is spread by this technology, exactly water purification equipment. Because why? Because in the mangrove trees, exactly the water is very salt, right? And exactly the fact the mangrove not get the not get the salt water. You know, everyone know that if the plants get the salt water, the plants will die. But in the mangrove, it's different. Mangrove have a unique, have some like equipment, a part in the mangrove can filter the salt water become water, clean water to 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 take and make process in that. But for here, still here, are you understand? Everyone understand with my explain?
Miss,
Yeah.
I don't little understand about water purification equipment. So can you explain in more detail about this?
All right. Water purification equipment. This the finder is spread by mangrove and then by hyacinth goiter. and make this technology. All right, because time is up. I'm very, very sorry. I know it's saying more and make you understand. So we know all that's all technology. The finder get the idea for its spread by plants and the art from animal. If the for plants, the art for first solar panel, or you can call it solar cell, and the second is light sensor, and the third is um and the third is protective and closing codes, and the last is water purification equipment. And we know that's all technology. All technology in the finder get expressed by plants or animals. You for your, as you know, plane inspired by bird, and helicopter inspired by dragonfly. Alright, that's all for me. That's all for me. Would you like to any question, or have you? Do you have any question for me? How about Miss Bella? Do you have?
Yes, Miss.
Do you have question?
Wait.
How about another? How about another audience? How about Miss Nurazila? Do you have question? I know not all for you know what I present or explain. How about Miss Supi? Do you know? I'll be waiting for you. How about Miss Tengku Rahmat Trisha? Do you have any question?
Miss Nurhayati, I have
Yeah.
question.
Take your time to explain what your question.
Hello,
Hello.
Miss Nurhayati.
Yeah.
I have question.
Yeah. Take your time to explain what's your question.
Wherever and what light sensors are used? Thank you. Please your
Can you
explain.
repeat again? What?
Wherever and what light sensor are used?
Oh, the question? All right. Give me a time to answer. How about another audience?
I have any question for you, Zeti?
Yeah, Miss Sophie, take your time to explain what's your question.
I don't understand the explanation in the water. purification equipment section. Can you explain again, Jati?
Alright, I will explain with you. I will explain with
Okay.
questions, Supi. For another audience, you
Okay.
can prepare your questions. Alright, water purification equipment. The finder is spread by